Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Class 5, Subject Science, Unit number 3, Head to Toe, Chapter number 6, Sensible Safety, Part 2. First, bullying. Bullying is unwanted aggressive behavior among school-aged children. The behavior is often repeated and habitual. A person who is intentionally physically and emotionally cruel to other. Types of bullying: non-verbal, verbal, physical. Observe the picture of the child who is bullying. Non-verbal bullying through gestures and body movements. Example: showing eyes, showing fingers to others, etc. B. Verbal. This is the type of bullying which is connected to speak. Example: threatening someone. Second, laughing at someone. Third, making insults. Fourth, making fun of others, etc. C. Physical is a bullying that hurts someone. Example: hitting, fighting, stealing, etc. D. This is what you should do in case of bullying. First, tell someone about it. Never keep it a secret. Second, try to surround yourself with people who will stand up against the bully. Third, try not to get upset. Bullies look for such signs of weakness. Fourth, stand up to them. This will scare them the most. They will continue for a couple of times but will eventually get scared themselves. So bullying is a act that we should not follow or we should not tolerate. Second is first aid. First aid is a branch of medical science in which treatment is given to people suffering from sudden illness or an accident. As the treatment needs to be given at once, even before doctor or nurse can reach the patient. It is called first aid. First aid rules. Accident can happen to anyone at any time, so we should learn these rules. First, sprays. Sometimes a joint of our body gets twisted and ligaments holding the bones together get torn. Observe the picture of sprains. There is a swelling in affected part and we experience pain. An ice pack can be applied to reduce the swelling and keep the affected or joint in a raised position. Second, fractures. Sometimes a bone breaks or cracks. This is called fracture. Fractures can be extremely painful. The injured limbs swells up and hurts when touched. Keep patients as calm and comfortable as possible and ensure that the affected part is not moved. the patient should be immediately rushed to the hospital. Never attempt to set the fracture yourself. Observe the picture of a child who had got fracture of his arm. Third, nose bleeding. This normally happens on hot summer days. Hold the nose to stop the bleeding and make the person look upwards, thus making it difficult for the blood to flow. Hold on ice pack against the nose. Observe the picture of a child. His nose is bleeding. Next, fourth, food poisoning. Sometimes we eat food which has gone bad or is not hygienically prepared and stored. The person feels dizzy and gets loose motions. In very severe cases, it can lead to dehydration. Ensure that the person keeps sipping water in which sugar, salt, and electrol powder is mixed. If electrol is not there, put a few drops of lime in the water. By following few simple rules, we can help the person who is in need of first aid. Observe the various symptoms of food poisoning. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope you had liked it.